Hey there, welcome back. So today we will talk further on exception handling and moreover how we handle multiple catches. In our previous example, we have already seen this multiple catches. And for example, if I cut this catch which is based on exception class and move it before the arithmetic exception catch, then what will happen? In here, as soon as I save the changes, in here there would be one error. And what is this error? If I hover upon this error, it will say unreachable catch block for arithmetic exception. It is already handled by the catch block for exception. Now why there is this error and why the sequence of catch blocks plays an important role? This is something which we will explore today. Alright, so let's move into Google Chrome, and if we Google for exception class for version 8 of Java, here is the documentation which we will get from oracle.com, and in here if we check, exception is a class, but there are many direct known subclasses and there is a huge list of it. Now if we check the hierarchy, then exception is the mother class, whereas all of these subclasses are the child class. Moreover, there are further childs for these subclasses, and for example, if I Google for runtime exception, if I click on this subclass, then there are further known subclasses. So the huge list continues. And furthermore, in here we have this exception of arithmetic exception. The point I'm trying to make is, if we check the arithmetic exception is child for runtime exception and runtime exception is child for exception class. Now whenever we work with exception handling, the child classes will be given more priority when compared to mother classes. Now in here, the catch block where we are making use of exception class is first, and then we have the catch block with arithmetic exception. As a result, this exception class is capable of handling all the exceptions. As a result, the arithmetic exception block will never execute, and if we hover upon this error, then it would be unreachable catch block. So the sequence is important. For example, in here, if we add a yet another exception, for example, in place of exception, we are making use of runtime exception, same error will occur. So in here, if I make use of runtime exception, let me take help of autocomplete. Eclipse is not responding. Here we go. So even then, same error will occur because runtime exception is mother for arithmetic exception. As a result, arithmetic exception will again unreachable code. So in here, let me cut this and bring it before the runtime exception, and the error will be vanished. So whenever we are working with multiple catch blocks, there is no upper limit. You can make use of multiple catch blocks, but definitely you need to follow the hierarchy properly, and the child exception classes catch blocks needs to come first before the mother catch blocks. So this is all for today's video. In our next video, we will explore more on exception. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.